Good morning, children. Do you know who was Arjuna during Mahabharata time? I hope all of you have heard about him. He was a great archer and he was the disciple of Guru Dronacharya. Can you tell me name of one more great archer who was contemporary and competent to Arjuna? Yes, he was Eklavya. I am telling you a story on Eklavya. Please listen to it. Eklavya was the son of a tribal chief in the forest of the kingdom Hastinapur. Eklavya was a brave and handsome boy. He wanted to be an archer. He wanted to become a disciple of the great Dronacharya, who was the great tutor of archery in Hastinapur. He took the permission of his father and went to meet Dronacharya. When he reached Gurukul, he requested Dronacharya to accept him as his disciple and teach him the art of archery. Dronacharya refused to teach him because he belonged to a lower caste. Eklavya left the Gurukul, but he decided to be a great archer himself. He went to a nearby river, took some soil, and made a statue of Dronacharya. He took that statue as his guru and practiced day and night. One day, when he was practicing, he heard a dog barking continuously that disturbed his concentration. He went where the dog was barking and fired 7 arrows into its mouth to fail without injuring it. As a result, the dog was roaming in the forest with its open mouth. When the Pandavas and Guru Dronacharya saw the dog, they were very amazed to see it. They wanted to see the archer. They saw a boy and went to him. Guru Dronacharya asked him from whom he learnt archery. Eklavya replied that he learnt it from him only by making a statue of him and considering the statue as his guru. But Dronacharya wanted to make Arjuna the best archer in the world. So he asked Eklavya for giving him his right hand thumb as his Guru Dakshina. My dear children, without any hesitation, Eklavya took out his knife and cut his thumb and offered it to Guru Dronacharya. The Guru was humbled and he blessed Eklavya for his courage and obedience. He also told him that he would be remembered as a great archer in the world and for his loyalty to his Guru. With practice, he could shoot arrows with his index and middle finger, and he became a great archer in the whole world. Thank you. So, my dear children, this lesson teaches us to be disciplined, regular, and respectful to our teachers. I hope you would also become like Eklavya. So, my dear children, this is the chapter number 1 of moral science, a boy named Eklavya.